Hey people, so for the last few days I've been in a building called Arfa Technology Park. Yes, it's named after me. Well, it's not really. It's named after a 9-year-old girl who passed away, who was the youngest Microsoft certified professional. Bill Gates was actually a fan of her. This whole building is basically a technology complex. Behind me is PlanX, which is an accelerator. Sit through a session run by herself, which is a program to get more women into entrepreneurship. So it'll be really interesting to observe and learn what their workshops are like.
Mehak, I'm a senior program manager, and I head 3 projects over here, which are mainly centered around freelancing. Herself is being co-managed by myself and Zainab, who is the program manager of the incubator, and where she brings in the entrepreneur side to it, I bring in the freelancing side into it, and that's how the synergies work, and that's how we've made a 6-week-long cycle where we teach and we try to mobilize our women to start doing something of their own, and if not, then start freelancing, and if not, then do both together.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehak Jamal. I'm a clinical psychologist, and I'm in my training, and with this, I'm starting my new business investment plan. It's related to a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency nowadays is a very hot business, and you can say it's a hot payment systems. It's all over the world. The first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, and now 11 to 1200 cryptocurrencies in the world.
Hey people, so I'm here with Mateen. I'm mentoring a startup here as part of the startup call. We've just had a really long conversation. A really long conversation, which I've really enjoyed, around startups, life, family, ideas, business ideas.
Master's education.
Yeah, I kind of was a bit brutal as well.
Yeah, you were like really savage. I mean, like 3rd-degree burns. Where's the aloe vera?
Yeah.
Somebody pass me some aloe vera.
Yeah. Tell them about your blog.
So my blog is That Quite a Guy, and I'm basically putting everything out there. I'm an MMA fighter, I'm tattooed, I love to cook, I want to be a motivational speaker, and I just want to like do everything for Pakistani people so that they have a reference. Oh, that's that Pakistani guy, we're going to follow him and make an impact here in Pakistan. And I'm from Quetta, a small city in Balochistan, but I'm living in Lahore. I'm just like a huge misfit, and just met Amna today. Like
Arfa. Oh, you got my name wrong.
I do that. Shit, sorry, I do that. And it's been like amazing meeting Arfa. Like she gave me a lot of like insights into new things.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
I think she's like the coolest mentor up till now. I mean, has her own has like a legit Snapchat, has a legit business card. I'm just going to get my cards printed now.
Sorry. Well, no, I really enjoyed that conversation as well. But definitely let's keep in touch.
Yes.
And if I can help in any way, then we can take it from there.
Last question. Will you follow me back on Instagram?
Of course. Why just click follow now? You need to follow me back. Yes, follow me back.
That's gonna be done.
Okay, and, done.
We should like vlog and blog together then.
Totally done. Cool. Alright, bye everyone. What up people, I'm at PlanX today. PlanX is based in Arfa Tower, so you've got Arfa Farouk at Arfa Technology Park. How insane is that? So PlanX is actually an accelerator that is backed by the Punjab IT government. I'll be meeting a few of the startups based here right now, and I'm actually spending the next couple of days here to understand a bit more about the Pakistani tech scene, and interviewing a couple of people, and just, I guess, getting incubated myself. What's your name, and tell me about your startup?
My name is Abdul Mateen, and the startup currently I'm running is Butlers.
And what does Butlers do?
Basically, Butlers is an on-demand car wash service at your doorstep that omits the hassle of going to a service station and bringing it all online.
My name is Ali Usi of Cart.PK. We deliver fresh fruits, vegetables on daily basis B2B and B2C consumers.
My name is
Sarah Bauer, and my startup's name is Warp. Warp is a fashion startup where we are mobilizing local resources to produce high fashion that is internationally competitive.
So my name is Osama and I run a startup named Do It Yourself GEEKS in Pakistan. So basically our startup is about maker movement, and we're trying to bring the do it yourself culture that has been formalized in the West. So we're trying to bring that in Pakistan by inculcating DIY culture in people.
Okay, so my startup's name is CampusFeed. So basically it's a social network for university students to connect with each other on campus so they can discuss courses, instructors, pretty much anything that's happening on campus.
BornRealist is basically a social media based marketing platform. We take products to the people. We help brands connect with large audiences. We're basically a marketing platform that's centered around social media and very quick insights on the brands and